So someone had asked me if I knew how dangerous straight razor shaving is. It can be dangerous, but if you've been doing it for a while and you have control and you feel comfortable doing it, the risk factor obviously goes down. You know, I'm using a sharp tool that was created for shaving. Obviously, there's things that come into play how dangerous something can be. You know, every time you get in your car and you're gonna go to work, do you ask yourself how dangerous that is? Because it is pretty freaking dangerous getting in a car. And driving, think about it, you're in a high speed moving machine made of metal. And all around you are other high speed machines made of metal. Yes, I know straight razor shaving can be dangerous. At the same time, it can be completely fine as long as your pressure is light. You know, don't force things when you're using one of these. This is a Dovo Burgisher Low. Beautiful piece of equipment. It's a tool that was made for shaving. Today I'm using Ariana and Evans Plum Bliss. I am going to pair that off with Italian Plum by Hendrix and Classics at the end. And I am using actually my great grandfather's Badger brush, and yeah, I really like his choice of brush. That Burgisher Low was gifted to me by my partner. If you're watching this, I love you. And yeah, it can be dangerous, but there becomes a point in time where you become fairly comfortable in what you're doing. So I forgot to bring my little blue thing, where my little sponge where I use to remove the pieces of hair. I'm so happy that my friend Leon is back on the road. Really happy to hear that, Leon. Those guys in your old job have no idea what they're missing. Today I am using a JNAD edge on this Dovo Burgisher Low. It's been a while since I've tried a JNAD edge. And actually, it's been a while since I've used an Ariana and Evans soap. If you didn't know this about me, Ariana and Evans was actually one of the first soaps that I tried when I started straight razor shaving. I started off with their Kaizen. Now I finished this Japanese edge on slurry. A little bit thicker than Misty Slurry. I was looking for something a little more on the comfort side, not super keen. I can get really keen if I put some glycerin and soap, and then finish on water, and then that mix on top. I can get super keen, but I do enjoy this this edge that is a little bit more comfortable, maybe not as keen. Wait. I shaved the mustache off. I forgot that I was doing... Wow. Wow. Well, they say when in Rome, do as the Romans do. Wow. But yeah, they're nothing dangerous about straight razor shaving. If you've been doing it for a while, if you're smart about what you're doing, be careful with the amount of pressure that you use. Some razors, the way they're honed, you might need to use a little bit more pressure when you're shaving with them. Yeah, just know your limits, know yourself, don't do anything stupid, don't try to do challenges when you're starting off straight razor shaving. Look at other people's videos, learn from them, from what they say. I have not heard of anyone dying because of straight razor shaving. I have heard of people murdering people with straight razors, but never because someone was shaving. Obviously, there's a big possibility that someone out there did off themselves doing straight razor shave, but not that I know of. And like I said, there's other things in this world that can end your experience of being here with us permanently. So yeah, just because those things can hurt you or end you, you still do them. You still go and I don't know, eat food at a restaurant. You don't know if that's poisoned, or you get in a car, or you get in a bike. Don't do anything stupid with a straight razor. Have some light pressure. Don't rush your shave. If you're in a rush, don't there's no point in doing a quick shave. If you're straight razor shaving, you can just use DE. I'm hoping Martin Test Shaves does another video. I really like his content. He was one of the first ones I saw when I started getting into straight razor shaving. All right, I'm enough playing around here. Because now I actually want to enjoy the shave. This Ariana and Evans is really slick. I think Peter is gonna be. Saw a video from Peter. He's gonna be selling some stuff in clearance, some razors and some stuff. Anyways, I saw his video, and I was watching another one of his videos where he was talking about soap, and he used so little soap, man. It's all his fault, because usually you get a pretty good amount. When you lather up. My favorite for him is for sure Kaizen. That's like the first soap I've tried, and I guess it has a sentimental value. I'm like that with stuff like this in the hobby. If it has a sentimental value, then it becomes dear to me. Now this is weird, shaving the mustache after not shaving it for so long. It looks like I forgot how to do the Fool's Pass. And I don't want to push it. I've also been enjoying Barber Dave's videos. Check him out. And I mentioned Leon earlier. He did a video on the road, and I really missed the shaves on the road, man. I like the house shaves, but the ones on the road are they just hit different. Let's not push that either. I had about 1 day's growth. I didn't shave yesterday. I was busy doing stuff. But usually, I've been shaving every day, like Greg Gallant. You become very comfortable shaving with a straight razor if you do it every day. And I've been feeling very comfortable shaving every day with a straight razor. That's not to say be an idiot and say, oh, I do this every day, so I'm a badass. Nothing can hurt me, nothing can stop me. Just be smart. Just go right there again. I want to practice. Here in the chin, man, I don't know how some people go against the grain there. I can go against the grain here on the bottom of the lip, like this. I don't know. And I nicked myself there a little bit. All right, cold water. No more mustache, wow. Well, my partner's gonna be happy when she comes and sees me without a mustache. I was actually starting to dig it. That's a good shave right there. Like I said, Hendrickson Classics Italian Plum. All right. Oh, that is good. And I think I did a good job with that razor when it comes to comfort level, because this is not stinging at all. So even with the alcohol, denatured alcohol, I don't feel like it's stinging. I've had worse stings with this. There's obviously a sting because of the alcohol. But yeah, that's good. Very light, very mild. And here's where I nicked myself. I need to practice the against the grain here on the chin area. Maybe someone can give me advice on how to do that. But yeah, I am Sean. This is my channel. I do straight razor shaving videos. Always read and reply to all your comments, so make sure you leave one in the comment section below. And go check out my buddies in the description.